Welcome back to All About Home Decor. If you're passionate about home decor and looking for fresh, innovative ideas to transform your living space, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into some amazing home decor ideas that will inspire you to create a stylish and cozy environment. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's get started. Living room decor. First up, let's talk about the living room. This is the heart of your home, where you entertain guests and spend quality time with family. To create a warm and inviting atmosphere, consider adding a statement rug. A bold, patterned rug can anchor your furniture and add a pop of color. Pair it with some textured throw pillows and a cozy blanket to complete the look. Don't forget the importance of lighting. A combination of floor lamps, table lamps, and candles can create a layered, ambient glow. Dining room ideas. Next, let's move on to the dining room. Whether you have a formal dining area or a casual nook, there are plenty of ways to make it shine. Start with a centerpiece that reflects your style. It could be a vase of fresh flowers, a bowl of seasonal fruits, or a collection of candles. Consider updating your dining chairs with slipcovers for an instant refresh. And, if you have the space, a stylish bar cart can add both functionality and a touch of elegance. Bedroom bliss. Now, let's head to the bedroom, your personal sanctuary. To create a serene and restful environment, focus on a calming color palette. Soft blues, greens, and neutrals work wonders. Layer your bedding with different textures, such as a quilt, duvet, and plush throw pillows. Don't forget about storage solutions. Underbed storage boxes and stylish baskets can help keep your space tidy and clutter-free. And, of course, a few personal touches like framed photos or artwork can make the space truly yours. Kitchen charm. The kitchen is another important area to consider. Even small updates can make a big difference. Think about swapping out cabinet hardware for a quick and easy upgrade. Open shelving can also add a modern touch and provide a space to display your favorite dishes and decor items. Consider adding a splash of color with a new backsplash or a fresh coat of paint on the cabinets. And, of course, keep your countertops clear and organized with stylish storage solutions for utensils and gadgets. Outdoor oasis. Finally, let's not forget about your outdoor space. Whether you have a spacious backyard or a small balcony, there are plenty of ways to make it feel like an extension of your home. Add some comfortable seating with weather-resistant cushions and throw pillows. String lights or lanterns can create a cozy and inviting atmosphere for evening gatherings. And, don't forget about plants. A mix of potted plants and hanging baskets can bring life and color to your outdoor area. That's it for today's video on home decor ideas. We hope you found some inspiration to transform your living space into a place you love. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to your channel name for more home decor tips and ideas. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.